Wholeness and balanced vibrations to everybody. Welcome to day 7 of the 21 days juice fasting. Um, yes, today is the last day of the first week. Yes, we made it. All of you who are fasting, congratulations to all of you who are actually also doing this for the first time. Hey, you're still alive. You didn't eat for 7 days and you are still alive. You're full of energy and you're kicking. So, yes, today marks the end of the first week, and tomorrow will be the first day of the second week out of the 3 weeks. So very very excited for that. So let's just dive into the vlog and into the debriefing. So today, the recipe, 5 things. We have pineapple. We have one pineapple. We have mandarins. Uh, we had some carrots in there, and we had apples and grapefruits. Uh, the the color that we had was orange, and this juice was like really really the bomb. It was like really really nice. Taste good, and the energy flowed directly. I loved it. I loved it. So try that one out if you guys haven't done so yet. Um, yeah, in terms of activities. In the morning, I did some workouts, um, and also, yeah, I was making the juice and everything, and also mainly, just doing some home activity stuff since it's Saturday, and I also did the week planning for next week, which is very very important, guys. Always plan your day or your week ahead. If you don't plan, then you're actually planning to fail, as we say in our business. Um, so, in terms of feelings, guys, today's day was actually one of the best days in terms of feelings. Not necessarily because of the juicing, but because of the connections that I had with certain people. Um, yeah, so today I actually really felt energy running through my body just by having a conversation um, with someone. So, yeah, guys. I hope you guys can also experience this, because it's something very, very special, very unique. When you meet someone, well, not meet, but when you're sharing, um, or when you're having an exchange with someone, and you guys are really connecting on a level that you're like, you don't actually need a lot of words to explain yourself, and the feeling is it runs both ways. It's something unique, well, this is actually how I experience it, because there are not a lot of people in my personal experience that I meet every day, that you can like directly start talking about certain things, and then just go, just be going levels deeper and deeper and deeper. You guys are just understanding each other, and you just keep going, and then not only that, but then you feel energy running through your system just because you're having this conversation. So that was a very very unique experience today, and I'm very very grateful for that. So Whitney, thank you very much if you're watching this. um, yeah, so I was very very supercharged. I am still very very supercharged, and but well, not but, there's and there's another thing that I've started to feel more today. My body has started to like, well, not reject, but my body has started to like, yeah, I don't know what the right word is, but let me just use reject for now. Reject the juice. And when I say reject, I mean more like normally, or let me say it this way. My body has actually started to tell me that it's had enough. Enough in terms of like, don't overdrink too much. So like, for example, I'll drink 1.5 glass or 2 glasses, but in the beginning I could easily finish it and like even add another glass or something. But now, after drinking like three quarter of a glass, like my body is just telling me like, okay, you've got enough, don't add more juice. So I've started to have that feeling, which is actually good, because it means that the communication is being reestablished in a more profound way. Um, so I hope that for those of you who are also doing the fast, that you guys can um, um, experience that as well. Um, yeah, so there is one other thing that I would like to add in this video before I close up. Um, you know, I know for some of you guys who join me on this journey, it's your first time doing fasting and things like that. That's why I also made it my mission to like always have a debriefing of how I'm feeling, what I'm doing, so that you guys have like a reference point also, to like also help you to like analyze your feelings throughout the day, you know, on a daily basis, because we're in this together, we're doing this together. And also thank you for also walking this path with me, you know. But what I wanted to say is that, you know, um, me personally, I've fasted before. I've done a 7 days, 7 or even was it 7 or 8? I can't remember. I think 7 or 8 days fast, where four, 4 or 5 was just on water, and the rest was juice. So that was like my first really intended fast that I did, and it was beginning this year. So I already have that experience. Back then it was uh, more harder than now, because now I just went through 7 days and it didn't really I could, you know, walk. It was just like it felt like a walk in a park. That's what I'm basically trying to say, because I have this experience already. And not only that, but between then and now, I'm also having one day within the week where I don't eat or drink anything. So it's mostly on the Monday. I'm not saying that I do that all the time, but mostly, generally speaking, on the Mondays, at least 2 or 3 Mondays in a month, I'm not gonna eat anything and I will not drink anything. So I get up in the morning. The last time that I eat is like on Sunday, around maybe 10 or something, just something small. And then on Monday, I get up, I just brush my teeth, that's it. Till the next day, Tuesday in the morning, then I eat something. So that's also, you know, um, something that has been preparing my body and my mind for this situation where I'm in right now. So why I'm sharing this with you guys is that, you know, I can understand that it can be very challenging and difficult to do this for 21 days, especially if you've never fasted before. So don't beat yourself up if like you find yourself, like, let me say, it's really hard, and then you caught yourself eating something small, or you just ate for one day or something, you know. Don't look at it as something negative, because at the end of the day, it's a process, it's a journey, you know. And be grateful, and just, you know, even if you end up eating something, don't also use that as an excuse to get yourself out of the game, you know. So it's okay. It's not because you ate something, or it's not because um, you're not doing things according to the way you want to do it, that should completely shut off your whole motivation to continue, you know. It's okay. That's what I'm basically trying to say, because it's a journey, it's a process, and it's gonna take time. For some people it will be easy, for other people it will be more challenging. But whatever you do, it's okay, as long as the intention is clear, you know. um, and also, yeah, sometimes I face challenges as well, and sometimes in different areas, not necessarily fasting, in different areas, the challenges that I face, it also gets me out of the game. But you just have to have that mental clarity, and just have that end vision and that intention in place, because those are the things that are always going to keep you in check, even if you fall off the wagon for a little bit, you know. So I just hope that this message is helpful for any of you out there who is doing this fasting. now or in the future. Yeah, so guys, with that being said, I'm gonna end this video here right now. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow on day 8 of the 21 days juice fasting. With that being said, guys, wholeness and balance vibrations, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep that vibrations high. And yeah, let's keep on moving. It's yours legit. I'm signing out.